Hi guys, Greg from Defu back again with some more cybersecurity advice for your business. Today's video is all about protecting your business's online presence. In our digital age, your website and social media profiles are often the first points of contact for customers and, unfortunately, cyber criminals. It's important to secure these assets to maintain trust and prevent attacks. First, let's talk about securing your website. Start by enabling HTTPS. An SSL certificate encrypts data transmitted between your website and its visitors, providing a secure connection. This not only protects your users' data, but also boosts your website's search engine ranking. Make sure your SSL certificate is up to date and configured correctly. Next, keep your content management system, plugins, and any software your website uses up to date. Outdated software is a common entry point for attackers as it may contain known vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates if possible, or set a regular schedule for checking and applying updates. For social media accounts, use strong passwords and enable multi-factor authentication to protect against unauthorized access. Be cautious with third-party apps that require access to your accounts, as they can potentially expose your data. Limit the number of people who have admin rights to your social media pages and set permissions based on their roles. Monitoring and responding to online mentions is also crucial. Set up alerts for mentions of your brand or key staff members to catch any suspicious activity, such as fake accounts impersonating your business. If you find any unauthorized accounts, report them immediately to the platform to have them taken down. Lastly, make sure your domain registration information is private and locked. Cybercriminals often target domain names in attempts to hijack or spoof your business's online presence. Keeping your registration details private and enabling domain lock-in can help prevent unauthorized transfers or changes. Check out the rest of our Cybersecurity Awareness Month videos over on our LinkedIn page and YouTube channel. Securing your online presence is an ongoing process, but taking these steps will make it much harder for cybercriminals to compromise your digital assets. Tomorrow we'll discuss physical security measures and their role in cybersecurity. Stay tuned and stay secure.